How to change an email address on Facebook. So I'm going to show you how you can change your email on Facebook. So first, open your Facebook app, or you can also do it on the web version if you're using a desktop. On the app, click on these three horizontal lines on the top right corner of your feed. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings and click on Account Center, and click on the Personal Details option and tap on Contact Info. In here, you can see your contact information such as your mobile numbers and emails. And if you want to change or add an email, just tap on this Add New Contact button and select Add Email from this option. Then just enter your new email address and select the account on which you want to use your new email. Take the corresponding box and hit Next. It will then request a confirmation code and just enter the code sent to your email, then tap on Next. You will then see this message saying you've added your email to the account selected. Then tap on this X icon to exit, and you will see that your new email address has been added to your contact info. And to delete your old email, just tap on that email that you want to delete and select Delete Email. You will then be shown this confirmation, and if you wish to proceed, tap on Delete. And you will be asked your Facebook password, so just enter your password and click on Continue. Then you will see this message saying you've deleted your old email. Hit on Close and you will see on your contact info that your old email has already been deleted. So that is how you change an email address on your Facebook.